Alright, so 2022 Honda CR-V with a 1.5 turbo. I'm doing the first oil change of its life right now using 020 Castrol Edge. That's what I run in all my cars. I'm going to be filling it to exactly at the high point on the dipstick, the high marker, and then I will check it periodically throughout this winter. Right now it's just mid-December in upstate New York, and my wife is going to use the remote start feature on this SE model quite a bit this winter, so it's going to be put to the cold start test and slow warm up with idle. This car does get driven only like 4 miles to work and back, so I guess it's kind of like a worst case scenario setup from what they say online for oil dilution. Alright, so here we are 2,700 miles later. Let's take a look. As you can see, the oil is slightly above the full mark. So it's definitely, some fluid is being added to the engine. I don't know, it really doesn't smell like gas to me, but the oil level is increasing over the 2,700 miles I did the oil change. So for comparison, here's my 2010 Civic LX with the R18 engine. This oil has about 4,000 miles on it, so 1,300 miles more than the CR-V. And you can see that it's still exactly at the full mark. There's no residue or anything when I touch up here. That's all dry. So over 4,000 miles, the oil level stayed exactly the same in this engine, and on the CR-V it went up. So take with that what you will. This is one of my favorite engines ever made by Honda. I know that it's a little underpowered, but the thing is bulletproof. I have 195,000 miles on it now, and as you can see, it's running perfectly, not burning or gaining a drop of oil or fluid in the oil. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great night, and I'll see you in the next one.